Good morning, children. In the previous class, what we learned about the factors, perfect number, next prime number and composite number we learned. Okay. Now we are going to the next topic, children. The next topic is prime numbers only. See this page number 35. Without actually checking the factors of a number, we can find prime numbers from 1 to 100. We can find the prime factors 1 to 100 with an easy method. What is that method? This method was given by Greek mathematician Eratosthenes in the 3rd century BC. This method was given by Greek mathematician. Who is that name? Eratosthenes in the 3rd century BC. Let us see the method. List all the numbers from 1 to 100 as shown below. So you have to take one paper or chart, any one. You should draw these numbers like this. You should draw the numbers right from 1 to 100. Draw the table like this and write the numbers. You should take any chart or paper, any one. Draw the table like this, same. Okay. Next, how to find prime numbers using this table? See the page number 36. Observe the chart and follow the steps. Step 1. Cross out 1 because it is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Suppose see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like that, so our numbers will get up to 100 numbers we are writing. Draw the table and write the numbers. Okay. First you should cross the one number. Why? Because it is neither prime nor composite. So that's why we should cross the 1. Next number is 2. Okay. So you should take 2 table. Don't circle the 2. You should cross out the multiples of 2. You should cross out the multiples of 2. That means 2 2s 4. 2 3 6. 2 4 8. 2 5 10. Next 2 6 12. 14, 16, 18, 20. Like that you should cross the multiples of 2. Okay, ma'am? Up to 100 you should cross the multiples of 2. Next, what is the next number? 3. Now you should take 3 tables. You should cross the multiples of 3. So 3 1 3. Don't cross this one. 3 2 6. Already cancelled. Next 3 3 is 9. 3 4 12 cancel. 3 5 15. 3 6 18. 3 7 21. Like that you should cancel the 3 multiples. Okay. After that 4 already cancelled. You don't take 4. Next 5 table. You should take 5 and cross out the 5 multiples. Okay. Like that you should cross out like that. Up to which are not crossed. Okay, so 5, 7. So like that you should multiples of that table you should cross it. After that, continue this process with the uncrossed numbers 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on, and they crossed out multiples till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. Write all the encircled numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. So encircled numbers, what are those numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So like that numbers are called prime numbers. Those which are not crossed and which are not encircled, those numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, children, did you understand how to do? All the encircled numbers are prime numbers. All the crossed out numbers other than 1 are composite numbers. So all the crossed out numbers are composite numbers. Which are not crossed out, those numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, ma'am? Did you understand, children, how to do? Next topic is co-prime or relatively prime numbers. So what are called co-prime or relative prime numbers, children? Prime numbers means, what are prime numbers? The numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself only are called prime numbers. Okay. Now co-prime or relatively prime numbers. Co-prime or relatively prime numbers. What are called co-primes or relatively prime numbers? If you take any two numbers, suppose I am taking 2 and 9. Okay, I am taking 2 and 9. Now you have to write the factors of 2 and write the factors of 9. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2 only. Okay, and what are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. Okay, now in this two numbers, which one is a common factor? Which one is a common factor? Only one is a common factor. Okay. So the numbers whose are having one as a common factor, those numbers are called co-prime or relatively prime numbers. Did you understand, ma'am? The numbers who are having only one as a common factor. Those numbers are called co-primes. Okay. Now see 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. And 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Now here what are the common factors? 1, 2. So these 1 and 2 are common factors are there. So it is these two numbers are co-primes, children? No. Did you understand? Co-primes means what? The numbers who are having 1 as a common factor, that numbers are called co-primes. Did you understand, ma'am? Come on, write, take your CW, put the heading co-primes or relatively prime numbers. The numbers which have only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime or relatively prime numbers. Okay, ma'am? Take example 2 and 9. 2 has, what are the factors? 2 has 1 and 2. 9 has 1, 3, 9. What are the common factors? 1. So these numbers are co-primes. Another example also is there. What is that another example? 7 and 11 or 7 and 9. Any one you should take, no problem. 7, what are the factors? 1 and 7, 9, 1, 3, 9. Here also only one has a common factor. So these numbers are also called as co-primes or relative prime numbers. Did you understand, ma'am? Come on, guys. Next, what is the next topic is twin primes. Twin primes. What are called twin primes? If you take any two prime numbers, suppose 2 and 3. Okay, if you take any two prime numbers, what is the difference between these two? 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, next you take another two prime numbers, 3, 5. What is the difference? 5 minus 3, 2. So if you take any two prime numbers, those two numbers difference is 2, that numbers are twin primes. Okay, so this is not a twin primes, this is a twin primes. Did you understand, ma'am? Twin primes means if you take any two prime numbers, then the difference is 2, those numbers are called twin primes. Okay, write a definition. two prime numbers are said to be twin primes. Two prime numbers are said to be twin primes if they differ. If they differ means difference. If they differ each other by 2. Example 3, 5. What is the difference? 5 minus 3, 2. So these are twin primes. Say another example. 7, 9 is not a prime number, no. Then next 5, 7. 5 is prime number, 7 is also prime number. What is the difference? 7 minus 4, 2. So this one also twin primes. Next 11, 13. 11 prime number, 13 also prime number. So 13 minus 11, 2. Did you understand? Like that if you take any two prime numbers, that difference is 2. Those numbers are called twin primes. Okay? Come on, write. Next is the page number 36. Check your progress is there. From the following numbers, identify different pairs of co-primes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here some numbers are given 2 to 10. You should find out different pairs of co-primes. Okay, what are called co-primes? The numbers which are having only one as a common factor. Those numbers are called co-primes. You have to identify the pairs in between these numbers. Okay. Next, write the pairs of twin primes less than 50. So 50 less than numbers you should take prime numbers. In those prime numbers you should write pairs, twin primes. Okay, like this 3, 5, 7, like that up to up to 50 numbers. Less than 50 numbers you should write the pairs, twin primes. Okay, that is the homework for you. Next, put the heading exercise 3.3. First question, write. Exercise 3.3. Write the first question. Write all the factors for the following numbers. Write all the factors for the following numbers. What is the first question given? Given number is 24. What is the given number? 24. You should write all the factors for 24. How you have to find the factors for 24? So one table, is it divisible? Yes. 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 into 24. Next, 2 into, in the 2 table it is divisible? Yes. 2, 12. 2 12 24. 3 table? Yes. 3, 8, 24. 4 table? Yes. 4, 6, 24. Next 5 table? No. 6 table? Yes. 6 into 4. See here 4 into 6, 6 into 4, it will be reverse. So you should write next numbers as a reverse. 8 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 into 1. Now what are the factors of 24? These are the factors of 24. So therefore, factors of 24 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, these are the factors of 24. Did you understand how to find the factors, children? Come on, write. Okay, in the first term I told. Next, second, third, fourth, you can do homework, ma. Next, second question, see. What is the greatest prime number between 50 and 100? So, what is the greatest prime number between 50 and 100, children? So, prime number means what? The number having only two factors. One and itself as a factors are called prime numbers. So, the greatest prime number between 50 and 100 is, what is the greatest prime number between 50 and 100? That means 50 and 100 means you should take 100 before numbers. 99. 99 is a prime number? No. 98. 98 is a prime number, children? No, it is also not a prime number. Why? Because here 8. So it is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. 97. 97. Is there any factors for 97? In the one table is possible. Another table is there? No. Only 1 and 97 itself only it is divisible. So which is the greatest prime number between 50 and 100? 97. 97. The greatest prime number between 50 and 100 is 97. Okay? Write the third question afterwards. Next is the third question now. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find two more such pairs of prime numbers below 100. So here what are the numbers given? 13 and 31. 13 and 31. So these two numbers are prime numbers. And these two numbers having same digits 1 and 3. Here also 1 and 3. Okay. Like that you should take any two prime numbers. Like this, same digits will come. We can find like that two pairs between, below 100. Can you say me? Below 100, take any two prime numbers. Here 13 given, so 14, 15, 16, 17 is there. Okay. 17 is a prime number. You can reverse this number. 71. 71 is also a prime number, no. So both are having 1 and 7 digits are there. Okay. Like that, say another pair. 17 after 19. 19 reverse that one. 91. 91 is not a prime number. Next. Tell me. Next 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 is a prime number. Reverse that number. 32. 32 is not a prime number. So next 23 after 20. 27 is a 27 is not a prime number. Next 28, 29 is there. 29 is a prime number. Reverse that number. 92. 92 is not a prime number. Next 31. 31 already given. Next 33 is not a prime number. 35, 36, 37. 37 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. Reverse that number. 73. This one also a prime number. Both are having 3 and 7 as the digits. Okay. So these two pairs are same. Okay now. Right.